other. So guys, today we are going to Langata Animal Orphanage. Today is World Tourism Day, and I've decided today, being a tourism day, I want to show you some animals at the orphanage. So guys, come with me maze, na wacha tufanye hii mambo. Behind the camera is my friend. I'll be showing you in a while, but meanwhile, subscribe maze, get tuned to Masoni TV and watch our videos maze. So till next time, see you in Langata maze. Sindio hii? Anachukua video. Sijui kama ni harmful. Hebu tusonge nayo. At least atwendi home bure. Tuko na cinema. Let me show them. So guys, today is World Tourism Day. I wanted to go to, how do you call it? The orphanage, animal orphanage along Langata Road. That was my mission, but I used a wrong. Look at that. This is rhino, and this is Nairobi National Park, maze. This is Nairobi National Park. Nairobi is the only city with a national park in it. So guys, yeah, it's the only city in the world, the whole world, with a park in it. So guys, let's go and see what I can bring you. Yeah, so guys, it's your boy Masoni. It's on a Saturday, the 27th of September, and I decided to bring you to the Nairobi National Park. Not inside, because inside there I need a car to maneuver around. So I was here the other day and I realized when you just at the fence, this is the road. This is the road, the Eastern Bypass that goes to Kikuyu all the way from Ole Sereni. Yeah, so I noticed when you are along the fence of the park, it's easier for you to spot some animal, just like we've spotted a rhino, baby rhino, and the mother. Yeah, so let's go see if we can make it to the orphanage. Yeah. So guys, we're in Langata, Eastern Bypass. We are still on Eastern Bypass. We've been walking. I'm telling you, it's a hassle. My guy is over there. He's very tired. Very tired. So guys, this is Langata. We almost Bomas. I want to show you a temple here. A certain temple here. It's well built. Yeah. Look at that structure, guys. Look at that structure. I hope my camera is not shaking. It's not shaking. I'm on busy Eastern Bypass. Very, very busy. Look at that. I'm very keen with these guys of motorbike. Look how Lang'ata is super sweet and beautiful. Let me zoom it for you. Look at that. Look at that. Airport. We've been walking, Mazek, for over 1 hour, for over an hour plus. We've been walking through this Eastern Bypass just to see the beauty and everything along this beautiful road. And we are here at almost at Wilson Airport because we are seeing some planes landing. Just landing here. Let me give my friend a phone to say hello. Meanwhile, we keep moving, keep going. I'm avoiding holding my camera this side because of the motorbikes and everything. Because it can be easily snatched from my hand. Yeah. Otherwise, guys, I know it's been long since I did a video, but we are here. We are here. I know most of you thought I gave up on YouTube. No, I'll never do such a thing. When I start something, it's till the end. I don't give up that easily. So guys, I'm really cautious about the piki guys, the boda boda guys. That's why you are looking I'm a bit uneasy. Yeah. So the time now is let me check for you the time. It's 4:30. We still have like 1 hour 30 minutes of filming. 1 hour 30 minutes. Yeah. Gachagua, nataka kusalimia mbogi yangu. Gachagua, sema hello. Say hello. So guys, I'm with this guy. Huyu jamaa amekuwa akipiga nduru sana. And imagine this was his idea. Salimia wase wangu.
Hello guys. I don't have many things to say. Isipokuwa tuzidi kusubscribe, comment.
Kwa Masoni TV, sindio?
Masoni TV.
Yeah. Gachagua is my buddy today. He's my bodyguard. He's my cameraman. You know nowadays Nairobi, for the last 1 month, there have been cases of, how do you call it? Forceful what? Cases of phone snatching in the CBD. There have been a lot of cases. So we are just being careful. At least I'm not alone today. You know, when you're alone, it's different. Gachagua, Carnival iko hapa. Carnival iko somewhere hapa hivi. So guys, I'm telling my friend Carnival is around here. And there is a beautiful temple on this other side. Let me turn my camera. Kaushai pitia hii route, you know what I'm talking about. This temple over here, it's very iconic. It's along Eastern Bypass. And we are almost at Langata Road, because it's just some few meters away, like 500 meters away. Carnival is around here, and this is this one here is Jamhuri. What? Not Jamhuri. How do you call it? So here is Uhuru Gardens. I know some of you have just heard of Uhuru Gardens, but you've never been here. This is Uhuru Gardens. It's so huge. It's a very big facility. The whole white thing is Uhuru Gardens. Let me zoom it for you. Yeah, this whole facility is Uhuru Gardens in Langata. Tupande. Nataka kumulika hiyo ndege venye na land. Guys, this one is landing. Let me try to keep track of it. Here. Yeah, Wilson Airport is just right ahead. Hii ni Carnival. Unaona hii? Hii ni Carnival. Alafu Uhuru Gardens and then nini? Hii jam ni ya nini boss? Oh. Wako na sherehe. Sasa Kibich ni huko Gachagua, huko chini huko. Kuna gari mbele. Gani kwa hawa? It is fully packed. Fully packed. Look at that. So we are still heading to the animal orphanage. We decided to take the motorbike because one Mr. Gachagua was very tired, super tired. He couldn't walk. So this is the orphanage, Mazi. Fully packed. Fully packed. So guys, we are here at the orphanage, but we are seeing people are getting out. My guy is paying, and then we just head in a while. Okay, let's get in.
Shaanza kupiga 30 seconds.
Yes, so guys, we are here. We want also to check out the animals, but it looks like people are getting out. We don't know if we don't know the closing time, but at least we just want to see what usually happens here. I told one of my friends that I'm coming to the orphanage, and she started laughing. And the reason why she was laughing, you know, the orphanage usually here, most people know that it's meant for kids. Like when you tell someone you're coming to the orphanage, it's usually for the kids. It's usually a kids thing. So I think that's why she was laughing. But I know you guys are wondering why there are so many people here. It's because today is World Tourism Day, and the government of Kenya declared this day a free day. Like in any national park in Kenya, you are not supposed to pay, or nobody's supposed to pay. The entry is absolutely free, and that's why I took advantage of this day just to come and also see what happens here. I could have gone to see the Nairobi National Park main gate. I could have easily gone to a national park, but the reason why I came here, or the reason why I didn't go to the national park, it's because the national park you need to maneuver around with let's pause. So there are a lot of people today. It's totally free or purely free. I don't even know what I was telling you guys. Yeah, I was telling you I could have easily gone to a national park, but the reason why I didn't go to a national park, it's because there you need to have at least a means of transport inside just to maneuver around looking for animals. But in an orphanage, it's an easier thing. You just move around, seeing and you see these animals. I'm told actually the main purpose of this orphanage, or let's first see the animals and then we will talk from there, because I don't want to talk and we haven't even seen any animal. I want to first, you see, Nairobi Animal Orphanage. Yeah, I want first to see what we have here, and then from there I can explain. Tutagaidiwa. So Nairobi National Orphanage, and usually these are the charges: animal orphanage conservation fees, non-residents, Kenyan. You just read, you just pause and read. Meanwhile, let's get in. So guys, we are here. We finally made it here, and let's start by seeing this beautiful, how do you call it, lesser spot-nosed monkey. This one over here, just running around. It's running around. So we'll move swiftly. There is this one here. This one here looks like a gorilla. So what's happening here? So what is this?
It's a snake. Ni nyoka.
It's a snake.
Hii ni nyoka. Ni nini? Si nyoka.
Anyway. Kashagwa, hebu tuangalie ka lion. Nimeona ka lion somewhere. So we have a lion here, and there are so many people here. So many people here. Now here we want to see a lion, but before the lion we also have anyway, let's start with the lion. This one over here. This is the king of the jungle. So this is it. Ini Simba. So guys, there you go. There you go. There's another one over there. So these are both female. Hizi ni female. Hata ni male kweli? Male inakonga na kinini. Geshagwa piga picha bwana. Hii chance unajua itakuja next year tena. Time kama hii. So guys, we are here. Geshagwa tusonge. Yeah, so guys, that is the lion. We are looking for what else do we have here? What else? Let me see. Cheetah. There is cheetah. So this is the cheetah. It looks very hungry. There you go. That one over there. I wish they could just walk. Here's the cheetah. There you go. There's another one inside. So we keep going. Sorry. Umeona nini Gashago? Ati mongoose. Guinea fowl. Helmeted guinea fowl. Okay, sorry. So these are the guinea fowls here at Nairobi Animal Orphanage. So we keep checking. We are looking for a what? We've seen a female lion. Now we are looking for a male one. We are looking for a male lion, and the park is full. The park is full to the brim. Yeah. So we have male lions, but they are relaxing over there. Wow. Sisi zinakula ng'ombe nusu. Yaani Wakenya wanakufa njaa, watu wanaonyama wanakula. Simba zinatupiwa ng'ombe. Mchezo hii. Wakenya wenye wanaumia njaa. Tutafute what else? Songe Gashago. Kabla waanze kutufukuza hapa. Pole mama. Wapi? Yeah. We, tutembee bwana, tutembee. Mbona kurudi mapema Gashago?
Nataka unipige picha huko wakienda.
Nitakupiga, hiyo ina shida. Yeah, so guys, we are here at Lang'ata Animal Orphanage, just checking. I'm told this park only preserves animals that have been injured, orphaned, abandoned. What else? Injured, orphaned, abandoned, and hiyo ni nini baba? Kai. Unaiona Gashago? Haiwezi ruka huko down. Haya, songe ndugu yangu. Twende tu tufike pale alafu turudi. What's happening here? Ikiwa ni kigorila.
Gorilla kinakimbiza watu.
Okay guys, we are about to see a gorilla. Baboon, not gorilla. What is the difference between baboon and gorilla by the way? Kio kinachapanga msei.
Inakataga kibiti. Inafukuzwa na ndio hiyo imerukia.
Ndio ingine ndani.
Utakunyang'anya bagi, itaenda na bagi wewe. Utaenda na bagi alafu utashindwa bagi umeenda wapi.
What else haven't I seen? We've seen a monkey, we've seen a lion, a leopard, a cheetah, a gorilla. What else?
Hapo kwa gani hivi? Kinaenda kuuma.
Pale hivi kalikali. Braided. Nini na hiyo ingine. Kuja uone.
Anise.
Kijekewa food. Sawa, twende basi.
Hello.
Cheetah eh?
Anataka hivyo.
Ona hivi.
So inaweza kuwa na shida gani? Juu zenye ziko hapa zote ziko na shida.
Si ile ndawa zimedungwa.
So guys, that is a cheetah. There is another one just below that thing. I don't know if you can see. Over there. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. That thing is huge.
Umeona huko? Unaona ile huko tuka uone. Unajua nimechoka. Mimi nimechoka. Ona sasa.
Hapana. Kidogo songa. Gashagwa. Dakika moja. Acha nikikapche kikikamu.
Inalala hapo tu na njoo. Umekichukua.
Ona ile. Ona ile.
Mufasa.
Ona ile huko.
Shikia hapo mwanzo. Shikia hapo.
Iko sawa? Inakaa vibaya. Ndio hiyo kitu. Nini?
Hali kinaendanga hivi.
Kama iko na shida hapana, haifai kwenda. Sawa.
Mwanzo man. Ni genje hii. Mmoja tu.
Eh?
Watu wameogopa sasa. Tumejapa nyamaza tena tukaichapa.
Lakini wanamuomba mtoto wenyewe. Ndio mimi.
Mama Malu.
Waenda
Yes, so guys, we are done. It's been amazing here at Nairobi National Park, the animal orphanage. It's been amazing. We've really enjoyed ourselves, and now it's time to go. Yeah, it's time to go. We've shown you some animals. I don't know if we've covered all of them, but at least you've seen some of them. And you see, this chance or this day just comes once. Newcomer ni side ingine. Twende hivi penye kuna wasee. Yeah, so guys, it's been amazing. There are so many people here. Even the Maasais are here. My guy is here. Say hello, man.
Hello.
Umeenjoy, eh? Yeah, it's been amazing, maze. Ni chance tu yenye tumepewa na government. What is here? Tujaribu tu kuangalia alafu tuone. And this facility is so huge. Super huge. Wacha tupite ndani tuone ni aje. At least Gachagua siku yetu ijaenda bure. Na vile ilionekana ni kama hatutafanya kitu. I think kulikonga restaurant kitambo, unaona? Nenda huko ni kama ilifungwa. So we go back.
Sasa ni zile zimezalia huko.
Shasha. Tuleni tutoi. How do you call these things by the way? Yeah, na vlog.
Oh, nice.
YouTube,
What's
yeah.
your YouTube channel?
Masoni TV.
Masoni TV.
Yes.
It's okay.
I say hello.
Hello. Hi.
What's your name?
My name is Queen. And I'm Lisa. Subscribe to Masoni TV. Like, share.
Thank you. So have you enjoyed the day?
Actually, tumearrive late.
Mlikuja saa ngapi?
Tulikuja late.
Umekuja tu saa hii? Mmelipa anything?
Hapana.
Umelipa?
Nimelipa.
Umelipa nini?
270.
Yeah?
Entry fee.
Ya kuingia huko.
Ama tuko tunalipa?
But ilikuwa entry.
Ilikuwa free.
Tunataka dutu.
Oh.
Ulilipa?
Mimi nililipa, wakaniambia sasa hawezi rudisha.
You came at what time?
Like an hour ago.
An hour ago.
Thank you. Yeah. See you again, maze. Acha si tuendelee. Masoni TV, check me out.
But this place tunafanya
sales.
Yeah.
Mnafanya online.
Like tunauza ya fresh.
Mnauza ya fresh.
Hiyo pia una record utakata.
No, haina shida, ni conversation tu.
Yeah, tunauza ya fresh.
Ya fresh na. Mnaitwaje the company itself?
But
ama mnauza tu
self-employed.
You can take your numbers and maybe
so you can promote us at an leo.
Then you check the number.
Imagine tunauza bei poa.
What we can do?
Mimi nataka kukaribia bana nitoe hiyo video. Hiyo ngeti vizuri. Hiyo video mimi nataka tu ni
picture. Yeah, sawa.
Unaona hapo?
Vizuri sana. My guy is enjoying life. Guys, we are going to see Masai. We see if we can jump with them. Let's see. Ebuliza Masai tunawalipa kurukaruka ama ni free?
Watu wamekuwa wakitaka kuja rafiki.
Ni capture Masai.
Lazima.
Hi. Naweza piga picha na wewe? Sawa sawa. Alright guys, it's your boy Masoni Maze. Thank you so much for checking me out. Bado tuko Animal Orphanage, we are heading home. Move closer to some. We are still at the orphanage, but the time is over. Now we are moving back home. It's been amazing. We want to say thank you to Kasongo for giving us this opportunity. Si rahisi. It's a lifetime opportunity. Inakuja once. Asanteni sana wazee for watching Masoni TV. Keep watching, keep subscribing mazee, na mambo itakuwa fiti. So from us, we say ciao ciao. Bye bye. Hello. So is my guy. This is the main gate. This one over here is the main gate. We are now leaving. We are now leaving the orphanage. And today was a World Tourist or Tourism Day, and that's why we were given this offer, free of charge to enter any national park. It's been free. That's why there are so many people. They turned up in large numbers. Hakuna kitu itafanyika, gacha kuogopa. Hey.